There are many places where your career can prosper. There are some places where you can find a lifestyle of exceptional quality. And there are a very few places, like Door County, Wisconsin, that can offer you both. The Door County Peninsula is home to a distinctive and successful community of businesses and entrepreneurs whose products are marketed locally and globally. They have discovered that Door County is much more than a wonderful place to vacation. It's also a beautiful and inviting place to live and raise a family. They set their goal at having it all. In Door County, they found that they could. More than a dozen safe and welcoming communities are sprinkled throughout the Door County Peninsula. Over 300 miles of natural shoreline invite you to kick off your shoes for a peaceful stroll in the sand, to stargaze aboard a sailboat with the wind as your guide, or arouse your senses with abundant theater, music, and art. Business by nature. Work all day and play all night in the wonderful natural splendor of the Door County Peninsula.